Hi everybody, this is Gary Demas, Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Wednesday, September 25th, 2024. It saw a little bit of action today, more than we've seen, but we're still stuck within this range right here. And if you look at these red lines, these are your gamma lines, so they're used as a lot of, say, professional traders use these because it lets you know where the options market is actually going to step in. So you can see 5750, 5700. I've been mentioning those numbers. This is the closest we came to testing it, to breaking it, and then we shot back up, and they still haven't got here. I think that, if they're going to do this, they'll probably do it on Friday or Monday. We'll see. But in any case, if they head up, this is going to be the resistance line. So this drop right here made sense. I was mentioning we had bearish divergences as we made this high, and from here we got that drop. So if we take a look at the 60-minute chart, and again, we're just really stuck within this range. The biggest, I would say concern if I was just a perma bull or just looking higher, which has been the correct move, is that we've completed this wave 5, and once we complete the wave 5 of 5, you can see we have the sell signals here, we have the sell signals here. So and we're seeing the bulls having a little bit of a hard time getting it above these levels and sticking, but we're really just consolidating. So to turn around and expect a big drop, I'm not really looking at that right now until we take out this. Let's just go back to this first. As soon as we take out the 5700, then what happens is we start looking at the. Hang on one second. So from there, we have the 5688. That's a moving average right here. So this is like the importance. You can see, so it was resistance, and then it was support. So right here. So this is the important line right here, and it's the 5677 level. Until the bears can really get through that, it's the bulls are in control. And we're just, like I said, stuck within this range. We've been in this range since the 20th, so we haven't gone up or down on it. And like I said, we have sell signals, but there's just we saw a little bit of selling today, but nothing major. Still on a buy signal with the 60-minute chart. You can see the 15 though switched over to a sell signal. So as of right now, you can see when it's switched, we're trending down on that bar. But right here, like I said, if this is the first line that the bears need to get through, 5711, then we're going to have the call wall at the 5700 or the put wall. And then we have regular support at a moving average support at the 5684. So it's like I said, we're just really stuck within this range. It's working out really well for the trades that I'm doing, and I'll show you. Hang on one second. Okay, so yeah, here's the snapshot of what we've done. So today we actually for the day we're up 39.75. The open positions is 14. So we actually did about 2,500. Those are on the trades that we did that I entered yesterday. And again, I just trade these. I know calendar spreads are typically you're just looking to collect the premium the whole time, but the way that I've been doing it is I'm buying the calls or the puts that is usually about I would say 20 days, 10, 15 days out, and then selling these. And the reason why is the gamma on this is going to get crushed because it's 0 days to expiration. Now what happens is once I close these out, I'll then go and write the tomorrows. So I'll keep the put that I have or the call, and then from that I'll just do the next day and lock in those gains. And if I do it a couple times, the actual the call or the put that I have, it is losing some value, but it's not losing as much as those. And I've been able to just close these out and say, all right, I'm gonna take $800 or $1,000, and then redo it and just repeat that same process and just resell those. So it's been working out pretty well on it. The volatility part, which I think once we start getting into that, I'm not going to be doing these overnight. So I would rather, in my eyes, the way that I'm looking at this is be cash at the end of the day, and then you wake up in the morning and you sell your calls or your puts, because we'll have an idea what's going on with the market at that time. But right now we're just stuck within the range, so I've been able to just hold on to these overnight, and the next day the ones that I wrote are really starting to get, they get hit. But even if they start going, let's say that I wrote the calls, right? And I own the call. So when it's going up like this, remember, my expiration isn't until out here. Theirs is here. So the actual price of mine is going up faster than theirs. And if I know that we're on the wrong side, or what I do is simply will close out the calls that I sold and then write it up here. So it gives me room to be able to keep the call position on, but still be able to sell some premium on it. And then but if we're just kind of hanging around, then I just leave those open and let the premiums just add up with every hour that goes through. So it is working. As I said, if anybody's interested in the new fund, I've gotten I'd say about 9 responses so far on it, and it's going to be the same type of program, but I'll go over that. So if you're interested, just shoot me an email. But with that, really, we're stuck within this range. Nothing else to really go over. We don't have any buy signals here, and you can see we're pretty oversold already, overbought. So it's hinting to me that we're going to come down to the 5,700. But again, if the bulls take out this 5,725, then we're coming back up to these highs. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.